Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to put in the long hours for making these videos. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market SPY and Triple Q trading very near to yesterday's close. Right now, I don't have any idea where the markets want to head. At market open, I'll watch how the market reacts and then plan my trades accordingly. Apart from my usual watch list of Tesla, Amazon, and Nvidia, I've added AFRM to my list today. AFRM Holdings had some news around their earnings, which was not really good for the stock. And the stock actually tanked from $82 to close to around $50. And I think $50, $49 area is going to act as the support. And if it breaks, I think we'll get some moves to the downside. Next, I do have Tesla. But Tesla right now, I don't have an opinion on which direction it wants to go. I'll wait for market open to see how Tesla reacts to the pre-market highs and pre-market lows, and then we'll define my trades based on that. We do have around 4 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. AFRM is selling off. But $50 area is going to act as a support. I really need AFRM to break down below $50 or $51 to get me interested to the put side. Tesla making a move. So I do have some levels of resistance marked for Tesla. Let's see whether Tesla could open up. AFRM is weak. It failed around the previous resistance. That's really good. Tesla opening up. I'll wait for confirmation. I like Tesla to break these resistance and continue higher and then give me a pullback. Watching Amazon too. Amazon actually broke the pre-market low, but I don't like this low wick here. I'd like to see a strong red candle. This probably could be a fake breakdown. I'll wait. I think AFRM is due for a breakdown. Yep. So this is why I wait for confirmation. Look at how AFRM is finding support around the pre-market low area. Yep, now it's bouncing. It may be a fake bounce, but I'll wait for confirmation. Triple Q making a huge bounce in just one candle. Volume is around 700,000. So very tricky market. I don't like how these markets are trading in both directions. First it goes down and then it comes back. That's a kind of market that's very tough to trade. I feel that this would be another day where I have to walk away with no trades. Tesla making a move to the downside, but it has to move a lot before I'm interested. Clearly, we are on a sideways market. Watching Nvidia, pre-market low of 254.65. Yep, I like it. I think Nvidia would probably find support around 251 area. Looking at Amazon, placing Amazon at 610. Just 5 contracts. Yep, I'm in. My next tag would be around 316285. Selling 2 at 680. I'm just holding 3. Sell at 680 again. Now just holding 1. Maybe I'll try to get out at 655. Didn't get it. Just 1 contract holding, not a big deal. Triple Q back to red. No reason to panic here. Markets are weak and we do have an upper wick which suggests weakness. Yep, I'm out. Started with just 5 contracts. I wanted to make sure I start with a green trade. So my first trade on Amazon was a put position Strike price 3,100. I bought 5 contracts at 610 premium. I sold 2 at 680 and then another 2 at 680, and finally I got the last one out at 690. That's actually a great exit. Even though I put in a limit price of 630, I got filled at 691. In this case, the bids moved faster. So even though I put it at 630, I got filled at 691. That's good. Amazon looks good, even good now. So does Tesla. I think the markets are selling off and we may get a few more trades. So Amazon now breaking down. I did have an order ready at 680, but because of the last 2 consecutive red days, I was being extra careful. I feel that it's not a bad thing to be careful. It's a very difficult market to trade, definitely not a beginner's market. See how Triple Q has been trading. At market open, we had an upper wick which suggested weakness, and then it went below yesterday's close, which means the markets were red. This red line indicates yesterday's closing price, and then all of a sudden it made a move up, broke today's high, and then it failed big time. Now it's slowly curling back. I feel it's the best time to walk away and call it a day. The markets are acting really weird, and I don't want to get stuck in a bad trade, especially on a Friday. So going into the weekend, I can at least go with whatever gains I have made. Overall, a tough day of trading, but happy to be green. After 2 consecutive days, finally, I'm green, making $360 in 1 hour. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.